Simone Biles has made a name for herself in the US and the world for being the most decorated American artistic gymnast. Having won 19 Olympic and World Championship medals and setting a new record in the women gymnastics category for winning 4 Olympic gold medals in a single game, Simone Biles has become very popular. So who is the Simone Biles who probably you chanted her name is the Rio Olympics? And where did Simone Biles' net worth fortune come from considering she is just 20 years? Early life. Simone Irene Biles is the daughter of Calvin Clemons and Sharon Biles, who gave birth to her in 1997 in the state of Ohio. Simone has 3 other siblings and she is the third born. The father abandoned the family and struggled with the drug addiction, and the mother was unable to raise them due to alcoholism and drug addiction. Many times the children would find themselves in foster care until their grandfather took them in and started playing the role of the parent, even went ahead to adopt them. Simone has not attended college yet nor went to high school, though she has been a homeschool graduating in 2015. She is a Catholic by relation and she is not the only one of the family a gymnast, but the sister Adria too is one. Age, height and weight. Being born on 14 March 1997, Simone Biles is 24 years old as of today's date, 5th October 2021. Her height is 1.42 meter tall and her weight is 47 kg in kilograms. Career. Simone started training in gymnastics at an early age of 8, where she joined Benon's Gymnastics. She started off her career at the junior level back in 2011, competing in American classes and US Classic in 2011. In 2012, she competed in USA Gymnastics National Championship, USA Classic, and made is score a place in the United Junior National Team after finishing third all round, 6th on uneven bars and floor exercises. In 2013, she made her senior international debut in American Cup, where she finished second. She went ahead to compete in the City of Jesselio Trophy in Italy, winning a gold medal. She won in 2013 USA Gymnastics National Championships, which made her secure a place at the senior national team. In 2013 World Artistic Gymnastics Championships, she won her first World All-Round title, becoming first African American to do so. She won the World All-Round Championship again in 2014 at 2014 World Artistic Gymnastics Championship and again in 2015 World Artistic Gymnastics Championships. Apart from that, she has been crowned thrice as the World Floor Championship, crowned twice as the Beam Champion in the 2014 and 2015, won with her team a gold medal at Rio Olympics, and went to home with another gold medal for winning in the individual all-round. She also went home with another gold medal after winning on women's vault, bronze on the category of women's balance beam final, and won gold again in the women's floor exercises. Awards and achievements. Simone has broken several world records, such as becoming at the first woman to win 4 Olympic gold medals in a single games, won 5 medals in Olympic Games, 1 being bronze. In total, she has won 19 World Championship and Olympic medals. Net worth and salary of Simone Biles in 2021. As of October 2021, Simone Biles' net worth amounts to $6 million. Simone Biles' net worth fortune has been earned through cash prizes and other winnings. Considering she has won 19 Olympic and World Championships. Another Simone Biles net worth booster income stream is an endorsement deal from a champion for companies such as Hershey, Kellogg's, Nike Core Power and GK Elite. Having been chosen on the list of BBC 100 Women, a person of the year by Time magazine, and SP Simone to truly a hero to many women. She might be 24 years old, but be assured in 5 or 10 years from today's Simone Biles net worth figure will have skyrocketed, and she deserves every single dime for her drive and hard work.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where